Hello viewers, welcome to Tribal Fish. Today in this video I'm going to make a chicken burger. So come on, let's try it. The primary ingredients that we need are minced chicken, chopped onions, chopped parsley and chili flakes. And you need some salt, pepper and oil. So now let's get started. So now let me add some more oil and turn on the stove. So let me keep it on medium flame. And once the oil is hot, I'm going to add all the chopped onions. So now the onions are being fried. In the meanwhile, I'm going to add chopped garlic. And I'm going to add some salt. And I would like to add some pepper as well. So now let's wait until this gets roasted. So now you can see the onion is nicely fried. So now I'm going to turn the stove off. Yeah, turn off the stove. So now we need to grind all the ingredients. So now I'm going to add bread pieces. Just made the normal bread into pieces. Just going to add parsley, and chili flakes. So I'm going to add all our mixture to it. So now we have grinded all our ingredients. So now I'm going to mix our minced meat with this. So now I'm going to mix both of them together. Mixing both of them together. So now our mix is ready. So now I'm going to turn on the stove. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take a small portion of it. I'm just going to make it here. Just let it fit your burger. I'm just going to place it on that. So I'm going to make. So now we'll wait it until it gets completely cooked. Our patty is nicely cooked. So now I'm going to just spread cheese on this burger. So before I apply the sauce and other cheese, so I just want to toast it for a second. So now I'm going to apply cheese. Just going to apply the cheese. So now I'll just place the patty between them. So we just thought we'll place one egg in between that. So I'll just put this in between them. Chipotle. That's mayonnaise. Tomato sauce. So I'm going to add few onion rings. These are all raw onion. Pepper. Now our burger is ready. So let me just give it a try. awesome. So the burger is very tasty. I hope you like this video. Please try it at home and post your comments in the below section. Until then, see you. Bye.